everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on 99designs. 99design is the go-to graphic design service by Vista. It makes it easier to work with professional, creative experts from around the world and build your brand through custom memorable designs. To create a new account on 99designs, watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the web address bar at the top and type in www.99designs.com. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official site of 99designs, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login link, which will take you to the login area. If you already have an account, you can enter your email and your password and click the login button. But if you want to create a new account since you don't have one, click the sign up link. Now select why you are trying to sign up for 99designs by choosing one of the options at the top. After you do so, go to the next field where it says email and enter an email address that you have an access to. Once you do that, create a password for yourself in the password text box. While creating a password, make sure to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. After you do so, check on this box beneath that says I'm not a robot and scroll down and tap on the sign up button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for 99designs. With your 99designs account, you can purchase designs as a customer, or you can also provide designs as a designer. That is how you can easily sign up for 99designs. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.